Hello YouTubers, this is my very first YouTube video. I just wanted to do it on this Zippo. It was $27, including tax. It's the Chinese symbol, Wisdom Zippo. And all Zippos are made in the USA. I just wanted to give you a quick view of it. I did take the sticker off though, because I just couldn't resist. I just love Zippos. As you can see, I'm doing this on my phone. And this is a really old Zippo, and it was made, well, it's not that old. It's about, I'd say, about 7, 8 months old. This is the oldest Zippo I currently own. It was made in, kind of focus in on there. It was made in August of 2011. Let's see, let it focus. Well, you can't see that, but I just wanted to show this to you because it's my very first YouTube video. I got this Tuesday of this in June. I got it at a gas station, a Shell gas station. Yeah, thank you.